Kim and I are here at this 643-acre row crop in southern Missouri cattle farm.
This farm has 2 springs, a spring creek. It sits on highway frontage within 15 minutes of West Plains. This farm truly has it all. This modern farm-style home was redesigned for today's buyer in mind. It has an open concept, 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. This is a dream kitchen. It's absolutely gorgeous. You've got granite countertops, beautiful cabinets, lots of counter space, and check out the cool floating shelves.
One of my favorite things about this house is this enclosed front porch. It's got heat and air, and also there's a huge attic that could be converted into living space. There's a 30 by 96 Quonset building plus a 30 by 40 shop with 14-foot sidewalls. There's a 30 by 90 commercial greenhouse.
And it has a cooling wall and an osmosis system.
There's approximately 83 acres of row crop ground here that you could use to grow either alfalfa or Bermuda grass, and it has a irrigation system already in place.
There's lots of water on this property. There's 3 wells, lots of ponds, 2 springs, a spring creek, auto waters for your cattle. If you're looking for self-sufficiency, look no further. This farm has it all. Check out this live water, which is a must.
This southern Missouri farm is approximately 85% pasture and has lush grass. This Missouri Ozark ranch has excellent fencing, cross fencing, and will run approximately 150 head of cow-calf.
For more information, give Bob or me a call or click on the link below. Kim Grennan with West Plains United Country. For more information on this property, please give me a call at 417-293-7277 or visit my website at kim.westplainsuc.com.